Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to make a Roblox Infinity Craft. So first of all, grab earth and wind and create dust. Now put earth on it and you have planet. Now fire and you have sun. Now other fire I have solar. Now planet I have a system. Now fire you have a computer. Now system and system equals software. Now place earth on it, you have a game. Now computer and you have a gamer. Now take earth and put elsewhere and water it. You have a plant. Now use wind and the plant. Have a, whatever that is. Now take another plant. Another plant. You have a tree. Now combine it and you have a wish. Combine wish with a tree and you have money. Take another mandelion or whatever. This plant and you have a wheat. Combine it with a mandelion whatever. You have marijuana. Money equals business. Business in business equals corporation. And when you combine them, you have microtransactions. And when you come with a game, you will pay to win. Now take a fire and water, combine them to make a steam. Now fire it. You have an engine. Take a dust and another dust. Make a sand. You have a sandbox. Now combine with a planet and you have Minecraft. And now combine them, you have a Roblox. And that's it. Hope this helped, and I will see you later. Bye.